Could you explain about this place? Because it's my first time visiting Inari.
Yeah, right now it's just the market that I'm participating in. Then I know that they have some like photo
And buy something. Is all the stuff from the Aborigine maybe here?
Yeah. So I made the
Okay. How we call the Aborigine?
Sami.
Sami. That's cool. So you are from Sami?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm from the Swedish side. So I traveled like I don't know 4 or 5 hours to come here.
Oh really?
And sell on this market. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Sami's people living in Finland and Sweden and even Norway.
Yeah,
Maybe
and
not.
Russia.
And Russia as well. Oh, okay. So they know each other.
Yeah, but we have also like different languages. So for example, here in Inari, it's 2 different languages that people speak.
Yes.
I also speak Northern Sami, so it's also in Norway and Sweden. And then on the Swedish side, we have 5 different languages.
Okay.
And on the Norwegian side, I think also 3 or.
Sounds good. Yeah, what's your name?
Karen Ann.
Caroline.
Karen Ann.
Caroline.
Yeah.
My name is John.
John.
John. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Niitä filkkivillä sapiita. Eihän näissä ole
Sorry. Hello. 야, 그래도 내가 커피는 한 잔 팔아줘야지.
Gas station opposite to Hotel Inari.
Hotel Inari. Okay,
Like
I will
registered
find it.
use,
Yeah,
yeah.
I have to drink coffee. So okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Trust me.
Yeah, no problem.
And bring one coffee.
Yes.
Okay.
Coffee is here.
Okay, thank you.
And this is oat milk and this is regular milk.
Could I put it?
Yeah, if you that's how we do it.
Oh, is this the same price?
Yes.
Wow, cool.
Don't you have it in your home? You have
In our country, there is a separate pay.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You can put both if you want.
Yeah, I'm lucky. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. 친절한 사람. 여러분, 오후 1시 반인데 이제 해졌습니다. 이제 1시간 뒤면 어두워지거든요. 4시간밖에 안 되는 낮을 지금 3시간이나 썼기 때문에 제가 또 편집을 좀 했어요. 일단 밥 먹고 바로 다음 캠핑장으로 출발하겠습니다. 오늘 제가 이제 차 배터리가 방전이 돼가지고 저기 배터리가 한 50%에서 갑자기 방전된 거 보면 제 생각에 에너지를 다 썼다기보다는 날씨가 많이 추우니까 이제 급속도로 떨어진 게 아닌가. 여러분, 이제 이나리에서 마트 장 다 보고 다시 바로 출발합니다. 40분 거리에 떨어져 있는 산장 캠핑장인데 뭐 저 가격도 모르고 금액도 모르고 뭐 아무것도 몰라요. 근데 뭐 멋있다. 아이씨, 빠졌는데? 아이씨, 왜 못 나오지? 오늘 가야 되나? 여러분, 이제 다 왔습니다. 아, 근데 이거 좀 어둡고 눈이 많아가지고 저기 맞나? 여기 들어가는 길이 여기 말고 많이 들어가지 말고 일단 여기 좀 해서 경보음 울렸어. 나 여기서 더 이상 못 가는데? 저기 불빛이 있거든요. 사람이 있는지 모르겠네. 차에 눈 쌓인 거 봐. 사람 없다. 발자국이 없어. 헬로. 아씨, 눈이 너무 깊게 쌓였어. 알았어. 간다고. 갈게. 그만해. 지금 이 시즌에, 겨울에는 다 캠핑장들도 다 문을 닫거든요. 여기도 그와 같이 그냥 문을 닫은 것 같습니다. 근데 지금 좀 난감한 게, 여기 캠핑장 자체가 좀 전에 있던 이나리 마을과 국경의 딱 중간 지점이라, 제가 이나리 마을을 돌아가든 국경으로 가든 한 40분 정도 차를 운전해야 되거든요. 근데 지금 해가 다 져버려가지고 상당히 좀 뭐랄까 부담스러운데, 이동하는 게. 여기 하나만 믿고 왔더니 여기 들어오는데도 이미 좀 차가 지금 지금 미끌미끌거렸는데, 와, 이거 갈 수 있을까? 햇살아, 너 할 수 있겠니? 참 후달린다. 와, 바퀴 헛도는 거 보소. 바퀴가 헛돌고 있어. 오케이. 그럴 때는, 와, 겁나 빡세네. 살 걱정하지 마. 다 나왔다. 오케이. 일단 도로까지 나오면 주행이 되는데, 와. 좋은데? 이게 뭔? 여긴 뭐지? 헬로? 와, 여기 뭐 그릴 하는 곳인가 본데, 왜 사람이 없어? 무섭게. I just arrived with my car now.
Yeah.
So is it open here?
Well, it's closed until December.
Just-
but if you're staying at your car, I think you can have a spot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. If you're staying in the car or
Yeah. In the
Okay.
stay in the car.
Yeah, sure. I'm actually not an employee here, so I'll ask the girl who is working over here to come
Oh, okay.
here. So,
I wait for her maybe.
yeah, so maybe a couple of minutes. I'll call to her. So
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can also come inside if you want to wait.
Oh really?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so yeah,
Just a minute, I'll call to her.
it looks great here.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
Poppy. 나 찾았어? 아, 왜 찾았어?
Okay, yeah, she's
She's coming.
Well, you can park anywhere. You can find a spot down there. So,
Yeah.
Oh well, we can sort out the payment later.
Yeah,
It's fine. Oh, great. We also actually have a van down there with a bill.
Really?
Yeah, but
오케이. 뽀삐. 형 간다. 네, 형 다시 올게. 알겠지? 일로 와. 뽀삐 일로 와. 안 돼. 재밌는 일이 벌어지고 있습니다. 저 현금 없다고 하니까 그냥 됐다고 그냥 무료로 쓰래요. 자기도 지금 이그루 텐트랑 이런 거 만들고 있고 그런 거 영상으로 찍고 있다. 그래서 저한테 뭐 오늘 만들어놓은 텐트가 있대요. 보여주겠다 해서 아까 잠깐 봤거든요. 잘 만들었어, 전통 방식으로. 근데 거기서 이제 캠프파이어 하고 거기 가서 놀기로 했습니다. 무료로 막 저 안에 있는 룸이랑 키친이랑 다 쓰라고 하고 약간 신났어요. 멋있는 말 했어. 너 만약에 괜찮다면 여기 며칠 머물고 있으면서 자기랑 같이 스노우바이크 타고 이제 뭐 산 위에도 올라갈 수 있고 자기가 되게 핀란드 멋진 자연 보여줄 수 있다 이러면서. 핀란드 떠나기 30분 전에 지금 또 귀인을 만났는 것 같은데, 일단 가서 친구랑 다음에 좀 얘기를 더 해보도록 하겠습니다. Hello. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
So
Yeah.
now I'm ready to join you
Okay,
guys
let's
tonight.
go. You want to jump on?
멋있어. 이렇게 노는구나 밤에. 다른 친구도 이렇게 왔네. 근데 이미 내 얘기를 들었다고.
other Finnish people call laavu, but in here this is called laavu.
오케이, 라브.
Yeah.
오케이.
if I have the video from.
Looks good. Fell down.
They're very heavy, these.
Yes. Depends over the area. For example, in all like another city, less than 3 days. Like nature place. Really like that place. I just stay there way longer, 3 or 4 days. But this time, especially getting cold a little bit, and also few problem on my car. 여러분, 오로라가 보이십니까? 벌써 봤어. 아, 여기 오자마자 오로라를 보네. 야, 흐릿하다. 여러분, 이거 타임랩스로 제가 잘 찍어가지고 보여드리도록 할게요. 저기 보이죠? Looks
Get so cold.
looks done already.
Oh,
Thank you so much, friend.
no worries.
Again.
His name's Onni.
And some of the star is there.
Maybe we should just blow.
Yeah. You can be there. Yeah. Now we.
This kind of snow cave
Oh.
and
Hey. Oh, thank you so much for bringing. Yeah. Now I see it. 지금 이 친구들이 야간 라이딩 가자고 지금 이 오토바이 모바일 타고. Okay. Yeah. Cool. In winter life. That's cool. Thank you so much. Invite me. 이거 야간 라이딩 괜찮을까? 사러 돌아오겠습니다. I will be live. Okay. Hey, I'm ready. Cool. So my hand on your shoulder.
Yeah, you can just grab.
Okay.
Tightly.
Grab two. Yeah, with the full moon today, exactly.
Okay,
It's so
let's
nice
go.
time.
Hold on.
Yeah. Exciting already. Oh, cool. Right this way.
Hold on.
Hold on, wait for me. Oh, he's coming. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on. Wow, it's crazy. More extreme here. Adventure.
Yeah. Okay,
That's
we are
crazy.
here.
Okay. Wow. Some of a house.
Yeah. Let's go there.
That's cool. Yeah. Looks sauna. Oh yeah.
It's so cool. It's like time traveling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the guy moved here from south. I lived here for like
Oh
I
really?
don't know how many years, but
Have you seen those guys?
no, I think it was like back in the 90s when he was
Okay.
still alive.
Yeah, but there's still
Yes.
old pictures of him.
Yeah, some living thing here.
Yeah. So
Pictures are here.
cool.
Yeah. Those guys.
And some soldiers.
Uh huh. Okay. And then we can find some like hair from here, and then we can check the DNA.
Yeah.
He's from like Slav or somewhere, you know,
Oh, yeah.
and probably like from Khan. It's so nice.
Paitsi jos mennään niinku mäkkiä vaan tuonne päin, sieltä näkee paremmin jos se revon tuli.
Joo, jos sä menet edellä.
Wow,
Siitä pääsee joo.
so beautiful tree
Ainakin talvella.
Joo.
with the snow, right?
Stealing somebody's girlfriend.
Wanna check?
Oh, really?
And he got like a and that's why he moved here like
Oh yeah. I think here is like kitchen.
the first building where he lived, and then he built the other one.
Oh yeah, sounds great.
I think those are made by, there's this Arctic bird
Uh-huh.
called Kriekko in Finnish. It's like Arctic crows in English, I think. And they are feeding on the trees during the winter time. So,
Okay.
like if you go in the wilderness, you can see these tracks everywhere.
You've been many times already.
Yeah.
Okay. You are local.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, so we're gonna go from there.
The big rocks.
Yes.
Should be more snow.
Be careful. Like 5 more days. Yeah.
Can you jump off for a while?
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, now you made it. 여기? 오케이 오케이. Your head are here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Good, good, good.
So, oh yeah, I dropped my cell phone. Oh shit. Oh. Alright.
Need to walk a bit.
Okay. Way difficult. Hard adventure. You guys made it. Hey, high five. Cool. That's amazing. It's quite extreme. Wow, such a nice. Yeah, it's one of the best adventure.
Glad you loved it.
Oh yeah.
What's your like?
Now cheers.
What's your
Thank you so much. Make me safety ride.
No problem.
You were so nice. Just first tasty. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to mix some, like choose something, so you can mix it.
No, it's good with fish.
Yeah.
with-
Sweet.
Yeah, I used to
sausage? Not an original. This is like a blood sausage.
Okay.
It's really good.
just blood and
Grandeur.
Well, not this time, unfortunately. It's beef and pig.
pig.
Pig and beef.
Okay.
Pork.
You wanna try as well?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I also.
It's really good if you make it well.
Would you want this?
I can try it, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Just
really
tasty.
want a bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Haetaanko niitä?
Saatan
Yeah. Yeah.
Cheers!
Okay.
Yeah, cheers.
We have. Now I need the kuksha.
Yeah, yeah, you do.
Okay, cheers.
Yeah.
Hey, moi moi. Hey. We are brothers from another mother.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you say cheers in Korean?
건배.
Gambe.
We say 건배.
Gambe.
Gambe.
건배.
Fell in love with him. Yeah, you are very lucky because yeah.
Full moon tonight.
Almost.
Great job.
Is it hot?
Hot.
You also want some?
Many tasties mix inside.
Yeah.
It's way
Yeah.
better.
Yeah, it really needs fire.
Yeah. Any commands or anything? Because like retirement days over here, so
Yeah. Like human. Getting old already.
yeah.
Okay. I'm ready to listening of the traditional
Okay.
music.
I will just get the ready.
Yeah, ready.
Lapissa kaikki kukkii nopeasti. Marua vaivaiskoivutkin. Tuon usein tuntenut on raskaasti. Kun katson kansan tämän vaiheisiin. Miks meillä kaikki kaunis tahtoo kuolla ja suuri surkastua alaiset meilläni on monta mielipuolta. Miks vähän käyttäjiä kantelee meilukkoina, jos syntyy sylilapset ja nuori mies on hauta valmis jo. Ja minä itse, miksi näitä mietin? Se merkki varhaisen on vanhuuden. Miksi seuraa käskyä en veren vietin, vaan kansais kohtaloita huokailen. Stune kun täältä näette, mä rukoilen, mä pyydän, palatkaa. Thank you.
Great. Hey, thank you so much. She's singing that. I shared the full video on my YouTube to other South Korean people, you know?
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
No problem.
Funny thing.
No, it looks wonderful. It's so beautiful, you guys.
It's the
Voice.
nervous laugh. Me kuule, kun oman pään
Yeah, we
sisällä
must start.
heittää menemään.
Yeah, it's basically ham, which is smoked.
Rowan bunny laundry. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, it's a bit
Thank you so
real.
much, Mac Experience. I went there.
Long drink is actually invented in Finland.
From someone that you're back in town. And if it's not too late, I can gain
What? It's such a UFO. Hey, looks fun. That's great. 여러분 지금 언니 뭐해? 지금 저 혼자 여기 이제 기다리고 있는데 저 옆에 있던 친구는 지금 사우나에 불을 올리러 갔습니다. 그 뭐지? 그 사우나 돌이 가열되는데 한 1시간 가량 걸린대요. 그래서 지금 올려놓고 1시간 뒤에 사우나를 하자고 하는데 와 제가 또 이렇게 북극에서 사우나를 또 이렇게 하는구만. 전화가 오네 이 시간에. Stronger. Cheers.
Yeah.
Come back.
Welcome to Finland.
I just finished my military service in Korea. Back to my uni, like a history of China. So I was exchange student in Qingdao. So he teach me a lot of the different culture. Even me teach him as well. different culture of Korea. I was surprised thing. Oh, sure, yeah.
Totally different people.
Even in Korea as well, like this, yeah.
yeah.
I would think that I didn't know much about the world, so I should be travel around the world. That is the reason of start my travel.
Like this, step for the beat, the microphone and the major league. Yeah, my only one. Oh, my only one. Please come back to me. That's it.
memory of that chocolate scent. Oh, the chocolate scent. So here's my